Hello everyone, I am Chef Roger and I'm back with another video. Today's video guys, I'm going to make a famous Jamaican ESCOVITCH fish. And this is all my ingredients guys. I have two lovely red snapper, already washed, clean. And look, I put 2 slices in it, so the season can penetrate through it. And here I have my carrots, my bell pepper, nice julienne, my onion rings, my scotch bonnet pepper. Here I have some granulated sugar, and here are some pimento. And this is all my season, salt and pepper, some all-purpose. We're going to combine all that together and season our fish. Okay, welcome back guys. Alright, we're going to combine all this together. Alright, nicely. What I want to do now guys is to season your fish. Rub it in. Another one. I want to make sure it's fish are properly seasoned. Make sure I get in the head. Rub it in like that guys. Put this aside now. We're going to go ahead and make our ESCOVITCH sauce. Okay guys, for our ESCOVITCH sauce, going in with your vinegar, pimento, 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, just to help balance the vinegar. I like to go in with a piece at a time. Now we're going in with our carrots and our bell pepper. Our onion rings. And here, our scotch bonnet. Guys, you want to smell this sauce. Pepper. Don't start to kick up in it. Guys, make sure you open your windows or turn on a vent if you have a vent. Guys, now our ESCOVITCH sauce is ready. I'm gonna put this aside and start to fry our fish. We'll come back guys. Put my oil to heat up. As you can see, drop some garlic and onion ring just to help flavor the oil. Going with our fish now guys. put it in over now. Welcome back everyone. Now that's our fish are finished right. We're gonna go ahead now and garnish our fish. How beautiful this looking, guys. Wow. There you have it, guys. Our ESCOVITCH fish served with festival. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe, share. Please remember to click that notification bell so you don't miss an upload from Chef Roger Vlog Kitchen. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next video.